been active over there, dude.
That's an easy headshot.
Kid's in big hangar to our right.
Alright, let me reload my 20 bullets.
And I'm not gonna get the full on that apparently. Got a speed boost. I might push over there low key.
He's a little fucking tryhard.
Take the hell out of you.
He said, oh, he's a little fucking tryhard.
Yeah, he's not wrong, dude. Hey, landing on the roof. You wanna get this kill, he should be right to your right. See him?
I don't see him. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man. 4 loadouts? Ah, shit, I didn't want to snipe.
Hello.
I should such a far snipe. Tell Ken I love her too, dude.
Bad timing, dude. Out here trying to just slay out for the boys, dude.
Oh, that was wonderful. I needed that. No. Should have been a headshot.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
You have another UAV?
No, but I need one. idea where they are now.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone highlighted.
You have any bounties around you?
No, I got nothing, man.
Neither do I.
I know there's a lot of kids back here. I just don't know where. Need some pings.
Yeah, I think I cleared storage out.
Gas is moving.
I'm dead. No audio? Get fucking ran up on by a bot skin and there's no audio.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Go kill these kids. Two down here somewhere.
Never mind.
Where?
Location marked. Nope, never mind.
Oh yeah, they're right here.
Target's in my sight.
Knock one.
Sucks to suck, doesn't it, man?
All dead?
All dead.
They were getting shot from the right too.
Which way's right?
Like
Wait,
like
let me come.
here somewhere.
Mark the destination.
Yeah, I see him. He's going to the zip.
Engaging shooter.
Cracked him. Hit him again. He's a bullet.
I can't see anything. I need my guns.
He's dead. He's dead. I think I got the kill for that too. Someone else
Where
shot
are my
him.
guns, man?
That kid might have had him. Oh, there's a kid right here.
Engaging shooter.
I need my sub. Here, got it.
There's a kid at that tent crouch. Like, he's awful.
Still there.
I mean, I don't know. I couldn't see him. He was in tree. Yeah, he's still there. He's about to snipe me.
I got one out of here. Gotta reload real quick.
He's right here. On this truck.
Engaging shooter.
I knocked him. Can you get that thirst? I think he has a self-res.
I think he's so. I can't see him. I gotta push up. He might self.
All good.
He doesn't.
Nice.
Hey, you can come grab a UAV. So can I.
Yeah, there was just no buys in storage.
What?
what
There's a
the
kid
fuck?
here? Wait, there's a lot of people here, bro. Let me go for these two.
I'm gonna
first.
clear behind us first. Oh shit.
Wait, I like that better. What are these kids doing?
They're shooting me, I'll tell you that much. Well, bro, what are you hitting me with, man?
Oh shit, I'm dead.
Knock him.
Nice out. Oh no, I thought I had stims.
Bro, I'm getting shot from every direction. I'm coming to you. Cause nice.
More around here. I have a zip. Should be on the hill. Was that on the hill or behind us?
Yeah, I knocked him right here.
Fire the airstrike here.
I'm gonna pop the zip.
Yeah.
Nice. Were there there still a bunch behind us or no?
Yeah. I was just getting shot by the team you were fighting and getting shot by the other team. There's like at least 4 people behind us. Just zipped.
Oh, I see that. Nice shot. I'm gonna shoot him.
Hit him once.
Blue. No.
Hit him again. Bro, how? What? How was that like not a knock? Like I hit him, you cracked him, and then I hit him again.
That's wild.
I look, you can drop a 40 this game. There's still a lot of people up.
Oh, there's a big game right in front of me.
Got gas moving in.
Kids at storage.
Shit.
I'm gonna grab this big game bounty. Oh shit. No, I don't have stims. Holy
coming,
shit.
I'm
Up
coming,
on the
I'm
hill.
I'm coming. Like my hill?
Yeah.
Can you kind of give me an idea?
I have no idea. I was getting shot in the back.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Yep. Alright, you fight that. I'm gonna grab
Another
the
one
big
right
game.
here. Hey, he's over here. He's over here. He's gonna come up behind you.
Just gonna focus this big game for a second.
Objective is to eliminate the bounty target.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
I'm
the
not-
kid. This is the kid I was fighting before. What the fuck? 2 more?
What? Wow, we gotta get here.
Location marked. Taking fire.
How many are you on?
Only 10.
Oh shit, I'm on 23, bro.
One's in this house.
Rally point marked for you.
Kid's knocked or cracked right over here.
Location marked. Cancel that. Location marked for you.
Bro, that kid has a self, doesn't he?
Throwing frag.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm dead, bro. I made such a bad play. In the window. And the hill to the left, right here. What the fuck? I ran just past that kid, bro. I didn't see him, man. Oh my god. And he hip fires every shot. Everyone that kills me with a MAC-10 doesn't aim in. Like every time. What? Yeah, I have goose.
Bide your time. You'll be out there soon enough.
Of course, that kid had a self, man, and I just couldn't get the knock on him. There's 2 kids left at that house, and then there's a kid sniping on the mountain to the left, staring at that blue warehouse.
Kid sniping jump to res. I'm just holding all these kids.
Yeah, it's got to be at least 3 kids there then. I don't even think I'm gonna get a fight. Fuck, man. Oh my god, if I saw that kid, I would have been fine. I fucked up my pace. I could have dropped a 40, dude, if I got all those kills there.
Gotta back up and get fucking ammo, bro.
Now I'm just stuck in Gulag. Come on, man, get me in the fucking game. I need 6 for a 30, dude. There's 19 up. And now I prepare to fight? Makes me wait 2 minutes to prepare to fight, man. You might need to be near a buy, because I've been getting real unlucky with my gulags.
Lose and your fight is over. Fight your way out of this and capture the objective.
I'm heading towards the buy. I just cleared all those kids
I
out.
died. I killed the robot in the ghoulie.
There should be some loot over here.
Try not to get kills, please.
And there's only
I know, I want my
12
30.
up.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Try not to get any if you can.
Into the new safe zone. Gas is closing in. Objective is to eliminate the bounty target. Loadout drop inbound.
This area of the map is where high kills go to die.
Hey, there's a loadie crate on me.
I'm going for my loadie. I have shit
Only 10
guns.
are left.
Fuck, man. I need 5 of these. Oh my god. Yeah, of course, man. I hit a fucking claymore and then a kid's in a bush shoots me. Oh man. Can you run to the res? The buy?
This one behind me?
Yeah, you have a gas mask. And you can buy another gas mask.
I don't have stims.
Yeah, you can buy another. Oh no, bro.
Nice.
I wish you just saw the way I died. Every time, man. Every time I have a good game, it ends up in this dog shit side of the map or fucking capital.
Stay sharp.
Who killed you?
They're by the boat. One of them's in the boat with claymores set up, and then the other one's in a bush staring at the front side of the boat.
Perfect.
They've got it down. Oh, so it's 1v1v1. So someone else killed one of those kids. What? They're gonna be by the boat, 100%.
I want this sniper.
No. These kids, they're close quarter kids, man. So I died right here, and his teammate was in the boat, and one of them had just died because it's 1v1v1. So I'm assuming both kids are by the boat area.
There's one. Where's the other?
I would just push. You gotta
I
leave
just don't know where
anyways.
the other one is. Go fly on the boat, you think?
I mean, you can sneak that by too if you want. Like, fuck it. You gotta go that way anyways.
Bing bong. Don't really care anyway.
Alright. Why not?
Terrified.
Final deployment is almost ready. There isn't much time.
It's coughing on me.
I'm coughing.
Oh. I got a plate box. Oh, right where I came from.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, it's
I'm
the
gonna pop this
RPG.
plate box.
Where's he at?
I don't know, somewhere.
Oh,
he's
yeah.
good.
Oh my god.
God.
Victory
go?
rests on your shoulders.
GG's, man. Sick fight.
Other one's in the boat. Res.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna land on this kid with a pistol, dude.
Do you know where he is in the boat?
No.
Like, I don't know where the fuck to look here, bro.
I'm looking. He's not on the top.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
I don't see him. Here, I'll just play with you.
Oh my god, bro. I've hit way too many explosives on this boat.
I'll drop me your AR. Oh, I got a gun here. It's gotta be up.
Gas is moving.
Like, this is where endgame is, bro.
We need to get to the safe zone now.
Bro, what the fuck? You think he's here?
Meet up here.
Maybe?
This is so dumb. I feel like I've looked everywhere.
Throwing frag.
Oh, no, never
Bro,
mind.
what the fuck? Is happening?
Oh my god, dude.